Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding Unicode Handling in Python's Print Function. Introduction. Python is a versatile programming language that handles Unicode exceptionally well. However, the way Python's print function handles Unicode has evolved over time. This tutorial will explore how Python's print function manages Unicode characters and how it differs from earlier versions, as mentioned in the Dive into Python book by Mark Pilgrim. We'll use code examples to illustrate the changes. Unicode handling in Python 2, Dive into Python. In the era of Python 2, handling Unicode was not as straightforward as it is today. Mark Pilgrim's book Dive into Python covers this version of the language, and it introduced readers to some complexities. In Python 2, you could use the U prefix to create Unicode strings, but mixing Unicode and non-Unicode strings was error-prone. The print statement didn't natively handle Unicode characters, often leading to encoding issues. Unicode handling in Python 3, Modern Python. Python 3 introduced significant improvements in handling Unicode. Unicode strings are the default, and the print function is more Unicode-friendly. It handles Unicode characters without encoding hassles. In Python 3, strings are Unicode by default, and the print function seamlessly handles Unicode characters, making it much more reliable for internationalization and text processing. Let's explore these differences further with some code examples. In Python 2, you would need to use the U prefix to indicate a Unicode string explicitly. The print statement had limitations in displaying non-ASCII characters. Python 3 treats all strings as Unicode, and the print function can handle Unicode characters without any additional configuration. In Python 2, mixing Unicode and non-Unicode strings can lead to exceptions and encoding errors. Python 3 allows you to mix Unicode and non-Unicode strings more seamlessly, thanks to its improved Unicode support. Conclusion. Python's print function handles Unicode differently in Python 3 compared to Python 2. Python 3's native Unicode support makes working with Unicode characters much more accessible and reliable, eliminating many of the encoding issues that Python 2 users faced. It's essential to understand these differences when transitioning from Python 2 to Python 3 or when working with Unicode data in modern Python applications. ChatGPT